WEX
25 stories,
celebrating the center's 25th
anniversary
with reflections
and insights
from the Columbus community.
The reason that we came to Columbus, Ohio is because of OSU and because of the art historian that I want to study with. You know, the Wexner Center has always been the place that I want to work. It has the coolest exhibit. Every time there is something new to realize. As I take my kids to go there, we still find something interesting that we've never seen before.
Yeah, so when we got married about, 9 years ago, we decided to do some wedding photo, but in a very unconventional way. So what we did was set our camera at the scaffolding hole, and then we were running away from the camera to create this kind of almost cinematic sequence. Overall, I think, you know, the architecture is that by far the most interesting, and the scaffolding, the grid, it changed perspective on you when you walk past it, and that's just one of the most kind of magical kind of space, you know, in Columbus.
It is the place that I'm sure I will create, you know, the happiest moments there. So I have two kids, you know, I have a 9-year-old and 7-year-old, and I have always been taking them to see, you know, art. And I decided that Wexner Center is a regular spot that I will take them back to see time and again. Every time is different, every time the subject matter is different, and it creates a lot of topics that I can continue to talk with my kids. But at the Wexner, you can expect to see something that you wouldn't have heard about, but they are great. Just open up your horizon to a bigger world.
And I think for me, you know, Wexner Center is always almost like a window to the world, in a way that it brings in so many different contemporary art all around the world. And the thing is, they are not traveling show. They are show created by the creator at the Wexner Center.